sun, the moon, and those objects shining in the sky are called celestial bodies. Celestial bodies, which have their own heat and light and are made up of gases, are called stars. They emit a huge amount of heat and light. The sun, head of the solar family, is also a star. Sometimes we see various patterns of group of stars, which are called constellation. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. Saptarishi, a group of 7 stars, is also an example of constellation and is a part of Big Bear. The brightest star after the sun is the pole star. It is also called the North Star. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Saptarishi. There are other kinds of celestial bodies which don't have their own heat and light, are called planets. Planet comes from a Greek word called Planetia, which means wanderers. They revolve around the star, the sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies such as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system, which is also called the solar family. Solar means relating to sun. According to the Roman mythology, Sol is the sun god. The sun is at the center of solar system. All the planets from the nearest to the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Use this sentence, my very efficient mother just serves us nuts, to remember the names of the planets. Uppercase letters is for name of the planets. All the 8 planets move around the sun in fixed path. These fixed paths are called orbits. The white curved lines are those orbits. These are not exactly circular in shape but are elongated, or we can say they are elliptical in shape. Mercury, being closest to the sun, completes one round in just 88 days. Earth completes one round in 365 days and 6 hours. Earth is the 3rd nearest to the sun. The size of Earth is the 5th largest among the planets. 2/3 of the surface of Earth is covered with water. Hence it appears blue from the space. That is why Earth is also called the blue planet. It is the only planet known to us that supports life. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air. It has also life-supporting gases like oxygen. Earth has only one satellite, which is Moon. The diameter of Moon is 1/4 that of Earth. Moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of Moon on 21st July 1969 with Edwin Aldrin. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets. A human-made satellite is designed and launched to gather information about the universe or for communication. Some of the Indian satellites are INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT, etc. Moon is a natural satellite which moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Small pieces of rocks which move around the Sun are called meteoroids. Tiny celestial bodies which move around the Sun are called asteroids. Asteroids only revolve between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. You can see here the small pieces of rocks. These are the asteroids. Finally, we come to the galaxies. It is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. And such millions of galaxies make the universe, which is infinite beyond our senses.